Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Tuesday. Today is September the 9th. We are out here in Cumming, Georgia, doing one of our okay, doing one of our specialty services, basement cleaning, new construction. This is the residence of Dalton. He's the homeowner of this beautiful home. And he found me from my YouTube videos, like most people do when they find us for this service, and sent me some pictures. I gave him a price, and we're just out here extracting that Georgia red clay from the basement floors. Also, a consultation. I did 3 consultations yesterday. All 3 got on my schedule. The first one I did, which was in Ackworth. He actually texted me this morning, said, Courtney, let's get it down for next Friday because we'll be out of town. Had also some new leads come in this morning. So anyway, guys, let me show you what we're doing on this beautiful day. And also you can tell that summer is about to fade away because it's really getting, nice weather. All right, guys, so we are in Cumming, Georgia. Beautiful home. And the basement floor. So let me show you guys what we got going. All right, as you can see, it was really bad back here, man. We're gonna have to really clean our machine out. But see all this, Georgia? See all this, guys? Now I will say too, when it sits so long in the concrete, it will stain the concrete. In that case, it would need to be grinded out. But most people just want to get all this dry dirt off the floor, and that's what we're doing. So what we're going to do is clean it, and then some of those spot stains, those stains that are left, we'll treat them and see if we can, if the chemistry will remove them. And if not, the clients do understand. Because it's not going to stay like this. This is just where they can put stuff in the floors and get all this dry dirt off. What we call the Georgia red clay. So that's what we're doing, guys. Go ahead and get back to it. Stay tuned.
Truman ain't messing around. Best in town. We hold it down. Wood flow shining, concrete clean. That damn Courtney Lee's a flooring machine. Yeah. Step on the scene, flow looking rough. Call up the Truman, we polish it tough. From hardwood glow to concrete shine. Ain't nobody touching this grind. They say, damn, who's that team? Courtney Lee, living the dream. Magic touch, make the flows brand new. If it's dirty, we got the rescue. Truman ain't messing around. Best in town. We hold it down. Wood flow shining, concrete clean. That damn Courtney Lee's a flooring machine. Dust to gloss, we don't play. Concrete floors, we clean all day. When you want the job done right, Truman brings the shine to light. Truman ain't messing around, best in town, we hold it down. From dirty to fresh, we wear the crown. Courtney Lee at the talk of the town. Truman ain't messing around, best in town, we hold it down. Wood floor shining, concrete clean. That damn Courtney Lee's a flooring machine.
Gonna let my client know, man, they have a lot of residue on these brand new luxury vinyl plank floors, so he might be needing us for this as well. He's moving into this again beautiful home. So anyway, we are done with the basement, and it is a magnificent, unbelievable transformation. Alrighty, guys, look at that. Oh man, just so much dirt up in here. Oh man, so much better. So this floor is definitely prepped for whatever they're going to do with it. But again, just to get all that dirt off the floor. And now we're gonna go to the car wash and clean our machine out, because that stuff really does make our machine filthy, and definitely don't want to take that into someone else's home. All right, guys, well, that is going to do it. Tomorrow we have a screen and recoat with UV Cure in Lawrenceville. Thursday, screen and recoat with UV Cure in Atlanta. Friday, you know what, guys, I had a job for Friday. It was a UV Cure screen and recoat, but I forgot she did call and reschedule about 2 weeks ago for October. So right now, I got a few consultations. I'll probably push them to Friday if we don't get anything, and then we'll be heading to Chattanooga Saturday, and then we've already got 5 jobs on the schedule for next week. All right, guys, that's going to do it. Thanks again for watching. I know the client's going to be very happy with the difference, and I'll see you in the next one.